Hey, this is Thomas Talon at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you the Yamaha 242 Limited S. Looking at the transom, you'll see nice seating with a shower and remote controls on the back. Walking forwards on the boat, you'll see a nice transom walk-through with plenty of seating in the cockpit with two captain's chairs. Going forwards to the helm, you'll see the Yamaha Connect screen, which is touchscreen, and you also have separate controls here on the side. Plenty of port side storage. Walking forward, you have two bench seats with filler cushions to make this one giant sun pad. Nice molded steps for boarding off the front. With a front ladder for boarding after swimming. This is a twin engine, 1.8 liter high output. For more questions about this boat, please visit us at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina at 14 Birdie Road, 29605. Thanks.